his mineral gray Terminator convertible, and he had a noise coming from the back driver's side wheel that he couldn't figure out and didn't know what it was. So we put the car up on blocks so we could get a jack underneath it and get the jack stands out, and we decided to see what we could do, take the wheel off, find what the noise was.
I knew it was something.
So we definitely found the noise was coming from the IRS knuckle. This is where you would adjust the alignment for the car. And so luckily this is what it was, and it was an easy find and an easy fix, and so we tightened it back up. So yeah, maybe the alignment's not perfect on it now, but at least it's not rattling around.